Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we're going to show you how to message someone on Threads app. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Threads app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with your Instagram account to access all features. Step 2. Find the profile of the person you want to message. You can search for their username or browse through your feed to locate them. Step 3. Tap on their profile to open it. This will show you their Threads posts and profile details. Step 4. Check if they have messaging enabled on Threads. If not, don't worry, we'll use Instagram instead. Step 5. Tap on their Instagram profile link at the top of their Threads profile. This will take you directly to their Instagram page. Step 6. This will redirect you to their Instagram profile. From here, you can interact with them just like on Instagram. Step 7. Tap the message button on their Instagram profile. This opens a direct chat where you can send them a message. Step 8. Type your message and send it through Instagram. Now you've successfully messaged them using Threads and Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.